Having started its operations in a small workshop in 1965, duyar valve has become the source of pride of Turkey, with exports made to 67 different countries in order to supply more than 700 projects worldwide. Duyar valve, with the administrative head office located in Istanbul, sustains its production and design activities at its modern plants located at Esenyurt, Gürpınar, Ataşehir in Istanbul, Çerkezköy in Tekirdağ, and Gebze in Kocaeli. Having become one of the market leaders with its vision of developing human and environment-oriented products, duyar valve has been selected to Turquality, which is the state-aided branding program, as the only company in its business field in 2016 and has clinched its aim of being a world brand. Duyar valve, performing most of its valve production at its plant established on an area of 16,000 square meters located in Esenyurt, Istanbul, manages its design and production processes according to maximum performance, maximum efficiency principle. All production stages are performed on CNC-controlled horizontal machining, vertical machining and turning lathes available in the machining zone with the area of 5,000 square meters integrated into the plant. Modeling operation, which is one of the most important stages of production, is performed internally in the molding room, available on site by using up-to-date design software at the machine park comprising of CNC turning lathes. The products in the assembly section are carefully taken into operation and prepared for painting. Painting is another production station for assembled products. Parts which are applied electrostatic powder paint and cured under the temperature of approximately 200 centigrade degrees are subjected to 100% function and durability tests at test station after the painting operation and prepared for packaging operation. Duyar valve's casting plant in Gürpınar is located on an area of 8,000 square meters and has an automatic wet molding line of Japanese origin, which was commissioned in 2008, and British origin resin line that was installed in 2010. Co-production, sand preparation and handling system are performed full and semi-automatically by using fully PLC-controlled systems. In the foundry, with daily casting capacity of 60 tons, thanks to 3 different melting stations with the capacities of 350 kilograms per hour, 750 kilograms per hour, and 2,000 kilograms per hour respectively, mold sand control, material analysis, measuring checks, tensile and hardness tests are performed for the entire process by means of mechanical and chemical laboratories. Duyar valve Gebze casting plant, which was established in an area of 3,500 square meters, including an indoor area of 2,800 square meters at Dilovası Mermerciler Industrial Zone in 2012 and furnished with advanced technological equipment, is a production plant where casting operations of many product groups are performed with expert staff. The foundry contains a dysamatic molding line, automatic sand preparation line, dual-track induction furnaces, automatic sanding and cleaning machines, and a sand laboratory where tests can be performed. Duyar valve, performing casting of brass, bronze and aluminum alloys internally along with cast iron and ductile iron valves, performs assembly, endurance tests at final production stage. foundries are among those which are shown as examples by Turkish metal working industry and all related public departments thanks to the lean production operations covering entire plants. Duyar valve achieving production of common products and UL, FM, LPCB, EAC, CE, TSE certifications for the first time in Turkey, has clinched its success in quality management system, information security management system and customer satisfaction management system with ISO 9001, ISO 27001 and ISO 10002 certificates. The company proceeds its way of being a wanted and preferred brand worldwide with firm steps. Duyar Valve Ataşehir Sprinkler plant was established in an area of 1,000 square meters in 2012 and performs TSE, UL, FM, LPCB, GOST, and CE certificated sprinklers in international fire standards with its expert staff that is composed of women operators by 90%. Duyar Valve, the first and only domestic sprinkler producer of Turkey, has registered its product quality with certification investment of nearly $2.5 million. Duyar Valve increases its market share in its common field and contributes to national economy and employment at the highest level, thanks to this investment funded by its own capital. Duyar Valve, applying many functional tests related to the sprinklers, produced at its internal stations accredited by accreditation institutions, performs crucial tests such as distribution distance and protection area of sprinklers, again at its own laboratories under surveillance of its expert staff. In the plant where Turkey's first sprinklers were produced, sprinkler production in all deflector types, upright, pendant, sidewall, from K56 to K11.2 head sizes as quick response and standard response types are performed from 57 centigrade degrees to 141 centigrade degrees. On the other hand, it is also possible to design and produce thermovalve and sprinkler head for special purposes according to the market demands. Duyar Valve, achieving to have an important share in the market as the only domestic producer by selling 2.3 million sprinklers in 2016, continues to produce for the world. In this context, Duyar Valve focuses on being a global player with its own brand in international markets and adding value to the creation and establishment of a positive Made in Turkey image through this. Duyar Valve produces sprinklers for fire installations, wet alarm valves, dry alarm valves, test and drain valves, indicator butterfly valves, OS and Y and NRS gate valves in Turkey and exports them worldwide. Duyar Valve, acting with the principle of creating value for all stakeholders, produces high efficiency, performance, energy-saving products featuring high level of environmental added value. Duyar Valve, performing technical checks of the products at the fire test laboratory, which is for the first time in Turkey and its stations, focuses on ensuring an advanced level of customer satisfaction with a high-level quality management policy. Duyar Valve has adopted lean production, one of the most advanced production methods of today, and applies it in all of its processes. Duyar Valve handles demands from its customers throughout Turkey and worldwide quickly and contributes to its stakeholders with its experienced service team. Duyar Valve branded products are used safely in Turkey and also in 67 countries, mainly in Europe. In order to increase the number of customers abroad, Duyar Valve participates at more than 20 international trade shows worldwide every year. Being the invisible hero behind many prestigious projects in Turkey and in the world, Duyar Valve is proud to be a global player. By standards of price, quality, after-sales service and favorable delivery times, Duyar Valve is a preferred brand for all customers and is serving its customers at the highest level under all circumstances, providing service and logistics support with its 65 exclusive dealers throughout Turkey. Duyar Valve, achieving important projects both in Turkey and worldwide, produces as a company that offers innovations and firsts in the sector. Training programs for employees, personal and sectoral development, internship programs organized under corporate social responsibility, training seminars in universities and vocational training in the professional associations are among the best examples.